In the presence of enemy, anageleti aba. Why is it well? If you have over, what can my leg be on Felega Kiloka? If you ever was a bill, I was a mayor was in bill. I was a very get away. Yes, I did. I was saying, I was in I said, let me know Sakae. Why I say, I'm not going to say, Unega.
Yes, will be that now. Yes, so how you people see the holiday, man? Man, to save the life and stay home and save. Believe I'm saying, man, everything must surely wipe up, you know. Very soon we are coming, you know. We are coming. The children of the Most High God, I believe, through this blessing rain that I just shower right now, right away, in my temple, in my city, France, you know, I believe through this rain, all the name of coronavirus, the name of the sickness, the name of the disease, whatever technology, whatever sickness that going on, through this rain, that just heavy rain, that just get you falling right now, right away, is going to wipe out all in Jesus' name, in the mighty name of Jesus. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. This is Voice of Justice, John Ibizugbe. Una know everything. Say, begin the use and make parable. Say, I'm on John way, Bogoma. You know, if you see voice like this, so they say, based of the parable, how you go to say, man, not be any time or every moment you see the chief wife or the king wife in the, that is, you can always see her or coincidence, That is how the parable go to, So you can always see voice of justice or coincidence in the name of say, let me come and let my people know the freedom is what we need. Prosperity to everybody, goodness and mercy. You can see everywhere now there is disease in everywhere, there is sickness in everywhere. This is the time for we to know that we are brother, we are sister, we are one family. Wherever we try to let you know, you don't want to understand all what you know, you believe on Lucifer Ati. So we must surely come to the media and bring you to the world so that the world can believe, say, man, upon the new modelized and upon the new colonized, say, let's come together, even black and white. There is still evil, the satanic or behalf that we still see of people destiny, or that we still see of people, let me say, individual people destiny, or in the name of, say, my father is the Odion Were in this community. I don't want, after the father died, I will still remain Odunga. We don't need that. We know what we call circulation, freedom of speech to everybody, So that is what you have known, that, hey, this matter, so we don't take when they go on. Not be your father start them, say, if Odion Were die, now, it don't reach 3 months, 4 months. And even your father no say, not be statam. Now make am say, man, after the Odion Were die, 3 months, the man get up, so as he did also, he get up, go meet the, if you even say, man, or the will say, we need in the power. So this is the time, my brothers and sisters, good evening, everyone. So if you don't, maybe sometimes in the consent of you can only just maybe say a word of a thing, and from there you will be climbed. But you have to know that there is people watching you, and there is family, there is friends, there is brother, there is sister. So first of all, give them the maximum respect, or give them the maximum greeting as we do, because we know where we came from, So my people, good evening, everyone. Good evening, my Edo people. Good evening, my community, Avigo community, Oriomo local governments, area, Edo States, Benin City, Nigeria. Good evening, my fans. Good evening, my friends. Good evening, the goodness of people. When we know, say, man, they need the goodness of the love of the people. Wherever you're watching me from, the evening or from the afternoon or from night. But for my own side, I believe this is evening, So we are about 8-something plus, So, brothers and sisters, today is Friday, Saturday, April 2020. Voice of Justice, John Enezena Ibuzugbe. I see that on my temple, based on the freedom fighter I am, Voice of Justice, John Enezena Ibuzugbe, see that on my temple. I repeat, based of the freedom fighter I am, based of the society I belong to. We are freedom fighter and we remain a freedom fighter. We are whistleblower and we remain a whistleblower. I'm a PFL organization, PFL, the best organization all over the world, according to the freedom fighter. That is number 1, PFM worldwide. This is the son of PFM, the son of the tiger and the lion combined, John Ibuzugbe, the PFM vocalist. I repeat, today's date is 17, Friday, April 2020, So, brothers and sisters, my incident of coming to this media today is to let some of our brother, some of our people, some of our family, some of our friends, when we know that after chief title or after the what also called the Odion Were, when the Odion Were go down, the leader of the village, when he go down, it can never take long than more than 6 months before we begin say we want to hail the new one. So I caught in my presence when I realized that some people have tried to use oppression, what we know say oppression, and when we know say oppression is not allowed. First of all, Obama and talk by Ogedega and talk by, he said, the man that come out, a king, when we know say, when something like this is going on, we have a role to cry to, or to bring those people to justice, especially in your community, when we know say is control as your own land. Obama and talk by, he said, Ogedega the Great. So, share the video, brothers and sisters. God bless you. This video is going to go viral, and I want you to know that my sponsor over there, Naija Wash, this is your time to pick this video, and it's very, very vital and a very, very strong message to my community, Avigo community, Oriomo local government area, Benin City, Edo State, Benin City, Nigeria. So, brother, keep your ear clear and pick this video. Let it go to the media straight. I give you permission and I give you go ahead. Brothers and sisters, you have to share this video in Facebook, Instagram. You can watch me there. You can see me there, Instagram, through Johnny Bizugbe. I'm there. You can see me. So I want you to know that in any community or in anywhere you came from, if you are fighting for freedom, start from your own entire community, where your father was born, where your mother was born. So I use this medium to call my leaders or the Inigi of Avigo community. I use this medium to call all this, the Huevo of Avigo community. I use this media to call the goods and the greatest mobilized soldier Avigo youth community. I use this media to call friends and fans. Please, who know this family, I'm going to mention his name. You should share this video to the family. Share this video to wherever they are. Share the video so that they can know that this is a serious message from the God Almighty. Thank you very much. So, John Idudolo, Francis Idudolo, this message go to you people and Idudolo children all over the nation, wherever you people are or is. This is John Obaseki John Enezena Ibizugbe, a son of PFF, a man that believes that freedom is for all, a man that believes that oppression is not allowed, a man that believes that say no to oppression and say no to whatever you are doing, let it be on your own. But what called a public domain is for everybody. It can never be only you. So, brother John Idudolo, Francis Idudolo, this message go to you people direct, and it go to my leaders, all the Inigis in Avigo community. First of all, let me deliver to you Francis and Idudolo and John Idudolo. My brothers, una know say Avigo na Odion Were na we get. Una know say Odion Were, when Odion Were die, after 3 to 4 months, 5 months, they will raise the other Odion Were. Una know say anything that concern after Odion Were die, so what is the next thing to do is to elect the new Odion Were. After you Idudolo have died for over 1 year now, 1 year and 4 months, let me not mistake, 1 year, 3 months to 4 months. You people still heading the Odion Were of Avigo. You people still heading Odion Were, anything what we know by community issue, by community affair, by the land affair, by the investment affair. John Ibuzugbe, John Idudolo and Francis Idudolo, you people still handle those things. And you remember that your father have died for long, long years. Let me just say a year plus. The Odion Were that hand over to your father, he died. When he died, after 3 months, Idudolo, you go to the Odion Were and announce that you want to remain the Odion Were. Nobody drag with you. Nobody ask you a question because you are the next leader. I'm talking to you from John Idudolo. Your father is the next leader. Now your father have died for over 1 year and 3 months or 1 year and 4 months. Now let me not mistake. So I use this media, through this media presenter, and through where I am and who I am. You know me. I'm a freedom fighter. I use this media to deliver this message to you, John Idudolo Ibiuzugbe and Francis Idudolo Ibiuzugbe. For you people to remember that that village or that community doesn't belong to your father or you people alone. It belongs to the entire the people that we know that is a family in that community. Right away, I use this medium to let you people know and to let you people understand. And from today, 17, Friday, April 2020, I want you people and the community give go ahead. The real people, when we know some of their community, not the Papawanga and the Kwera, they have give go ahead and for Voice of Justice Entertainment to announce this serious message to you people. And from today, you people should get it from my head. Wherever you are, wherever you is, go and ready and lie down the Ekure of Odion Were so that the others or the others leader, when we know or the village or the community know that it can be the header so that it will take over, so that the peace and unity and one love and unity shall become unto my community, unto for everybody. Thank you very much, John Idudolo Ibiuzugbe and Francis Idudolo Ibiuzugbe. So let me go to my leaders, Enigi. I will use my English little. Oh, please, I'm talking. I will use my English little to address my Enigi, and I will use for fun Benin to address my Enigi. First of all, I will go through Benin. Oba Atokbe is Edomenu Zomo. If you have a gonok bewo, can wariri aje, woto ewebo, can wariri aje, woto edo, ute Nigeria, agbonga mawa, warayokba o, ori suwabo, warayeva o, ori suwabo. Na jemo eriba wa oge, agbonga mawa, o biano o kuno, no wi wa sira yema, uwaga sira, uwaga iyeke, uwaga ma. Even odawo oye mudia wa sira maruda we owe naze popo mangu lalai we no popo ma ugosu obone. So agbon mawane wari mavite eminerawo eri logugwa eminiyewo eri logugwa emi opano o ekogwa oriongwa oge no mabo agbon we ni egbeyo azeno osono watamawe imeme aya hon osalobuame obi yobito no rekete no nyagbon no nyaimi otaise na video we eregase ave do mi vie no be do ladian do kha emeni e kha e beregase enwa enegie edio igele no rota vigo wa emena area igi itoge ivido do logiane because it's a message na la wowo o gba no no ri so igbe o ko no ri so igbe ma no so igbe ama audio we no so igbe na la wo na kwekọ gbe na make sure we na so jon we obi yewo ni nebo ni make na be we no get no ma you know get see e to ma de better audio we no ro ogune audio we no ragmo e ti yaka me kha e ti yaka ne se ve na mi we ogawu obi ori e so ogune ni ya no ya gu na gbera pokpa bo ke ha ne egesene audio we obi ga be ya ladia wo tavigo no we audio we avigo so that la go dawo ofun egbe eya na ya nyagbon eya be ko gbe enige na la wo eme na ne do ga egwe awe izo ekpopo o iba daize owo ma moma no ona owo ma moma igi una ge Francis ne igi una ge Johnny no vi dodolo ne ovi e no dion de banowi e muna yan bo o idai e Francis o daize no idai no re village but dodolo yen gwe dodolo Johnny dodolo o ovi e no dion ve na gunwana ibi ewo me ejion igele omo bono omo we no gi yen we ogiragu as ogiowe ojon we ragu as ojon we owe okeke nu wa tie e Johnny no vi dodolo nu wa tie e Francis no vi dodolo o kini vi dodolo ni ri aje o to ewebo o te Nigeria nu wa tie ge egesene no job we always I new kete so that Allah go down make it not continue development and whatever. A video na iwu enia o gbe anu okwo no owe ni edo amue eriyan tinse iwe ni tamawe okodudu apama otavigo obono okpe anu no giro otavigo no gi ewe eve aunemi eru auneru eva aude botede etware owenu dori e nu ya awe anywhere no ko kenu ri e ugari e seva agambe ron ere no nyamo sabo oga de yo ogwa oga de yo ode uwe mi ya se kenu ye uwe mi ya so wa uwe mi ya so de agmore mawe menuna egwe ematatai udowo nu ya muari o uda wo tinse ya betama we erati oye wuyo bet una ona ari ozo ruda we be ni ma we media wa wa egwo lo rezo na wa be tie ni ma tie ni PFM tie catapult imwegbe o ile no shaking no race atama mewe wa niziegbe ni ya Francis iziegbe se Johnny no bi dodolo iziegbe se ya wa ti wa gbo e kari ase be yo ara mi we ato asenya wa weru jia ikagun imaegun agiyeti mi amebo na John no bi dodolo iriye message na gwe tiebo weni ado modion we yo berare era wune warie emine gbe ene ipapa wa ganu wa e bo wario ene now tiebo ina be leba dia sefe na be yatamebo ibi yokoriomo ibi avigo the community of avigo waya wa to wa pe ebe ni kata esin egesene waya tie John no vi dudolo egesene waya tie e Francis no vi dudolo we ukponi oye omo era omo ojo we makaveri o te we ma otavigo egesene ni waya biegbe no make na labo ma be and omo no so egbe wa mo egbe ya ti ewe o any moment from now ti ma because obi e woni hi and ebe ave eni wan ebe tama no omo no so egbe ne ya ti wa ya tie ina tie maybe bere na aruwe emebun ni ata be ni kata ebojo ni pe we o ge ba o ge ason ni ri ege Francis but on Emebun ni ata legease. Emebun ni we emoro ni avie picture eladian ni agbe career media. Adonwe we kenave ni we mamanya siniro ibido do ya fe keni makasunu yi keni kasunu yi ekeni yaje unyimi ya emoni ya bie veni ya lo veni ya ta ide dote ya benu wana tie na baga and avigo imao ni ave tamame we obavi goje ose ina katamu wa we egesene ade ni won no buta mame we iya mu egbe ne venu wa mu egbe ni iho nu wa tie e Francis nu wa tie e John no vi dudolo nu wa tie we era wu ne upopa wu ke ha arije na ojon we na mu ne no so egbe erita wa so erita wa van eri John na vi go khae eri o to ni okori omo khae eri o to na do ni khae eri oba me ogidi gan eri o khae because yon zo jon we ojon we ga wu ojon we ve ladian egesene wotavi goni ojon we no ya mu egbe nuka ya keteni because idolo eti are mi no ya aka yen keteni uda we dodolo emi ni ya ivie oye kanyo tavigo e utona hie ivie ye no e business yare ivie ye no iya do amobue ivie chana do amobue le derio ivie ye no. So we want to know say their way power no. I know how to wipe them away without no quarrel. We will follow justice. Here we am ego Inyoma Oma Sevagbona. I'm the PFL worldwide. I believe all what I'm saying when it's true. I believe the Oba, the Enigui, the Ogedigan the Great, they must surely invite us to the palace and for truth. And I'm a media presenter and I will bump everywhere. So Francis, get it clear. Get it clear. Get it clear. So, bros, no, I don't care whether it's a native doctor or it's not a native doctor. I doesn't care. I doesn't care. For me, you will remember that when if you write, say you know there say there be native doctor. Remember, say this man that I'm talking, I know where I came from. I grow inside them, inside their stomach. So nothing they can do and nothing that can happen to me. Okay, and nothing can happen to the people when we know that it's going to bring the freedom to the community. Okay, and stay safe and be thick that faith is your power and faith comes from God. It don't come from Lucifer. Thickness and fear come from Lucifer. So don't write. I'm talking to you, commenter. So I don't want to mention your name, but those, even though it's a native doctor or whatever, I don't care. But all what I know is a freedom. According to the system, how we used to grow and how our father used to grow to come. That is, they grow up, they meet the system. Say, when the audience will die, the second audience will, maybe after 3 months to 4 months, the second audience will, or 5 months, the second audience will take over the power. So that they will elect a new elders, a Jonene, there is a Jonene, new Okairele, new Okayoga. We know everything. So if a Francis or a Dudolo children is trying to hold the power after their father died, and use this media to let them know it's not a Nogie and it can never be a Nogie. It's not a king, it can never be a king. Avigo remain or John Were when they go, soldier come. That is how we see it. My brothers and sisters, get it clear that wherever you are and wherever it is in the diaspora, if you know that Avigo is your fatherland, you are not scary with anybody or any native doctor, you believe on God, God Almighty is the real, contact me. I will drop my number over there. So just make sure we get contact together so that we can do things together. For one thing, so for me, I don't need your money. I don't need your money. All what I need your idea, your support, your wisdom, so that the same a little drop of water can form motion. When we bring idea together, we can kick those motherfuckers out of that place, okay? So let me drop my number. I will drop my number over there so that if you want to call me, you can get my number clear. But for this moment, I don't need call. For this moment, I don't need call. I don't want to respond to anybody. please don't call me and never you call me. So let me write on the platform so that I will call the number direct. Okay. Please, brothers and sisters, share this video. This is serious message and it's a blessed message to our people, you know. You understand? So you can see my number over there, but I didn't write anything. I only write the number. So let me call the number, brothers and sisters. If you want to contact with me as a video community, or from Orion, or from Evarwe, or from Agowie, or from Kogbo, you really want your community to have peace. Those freedom of maybe panicky of native doctor, panicky of say courtesan, panicky of say oppression for your community. Please get my number clear and get pen and write my number down, so that this freedom of oppression, there is a freedom of speech, it can continue in our community, and according to how our father made it. You know, when it comes to your time as a Odion, from Igele to Odion, from Iyoga to Igele, we don't know everything. So someone captivity people that are also called native doctors, they cannot talk about it. You understand? Whether anything, my bro, this is the time for you to know that freedom, it remains the same. Say no to those native doctors that use charm to disturb their family, to disturb their brother, to disturb their village, to disturb their community. Say no to them. This is the time for we to say no to them. When you have it, give me the picture, give me everything. Bros, we are going there. As I'm broadcasting in media, there is a lot of evidence that we came from court. And we go there and destroy all the Shiran, everything. Believe me. Because why? It's only what God has created that you can never destroy. All what Lucifer creates, you can destroy it. Straight direct. As you call me, as I bring in on media, straight direct. Bros, they will make sure they take all those things down. Because when you get to their system, you will know that those guys, they didn't even have what we know called license, even authority to do what they are doing. They're doing out of stomach infrastructure, or out of evil witch, so that they can use it to perform. Those are the people that when you carry somebody to go and give them to kill, they cannot have mercy. They will kill the person. So those people, we need the attention to bring them to justice. They have a lot of them in my community, but this is not time for that. And if I want to do that, it's me, myself, I'm going to do that. I am the one that will go for the mission. Nobody. Christ that rise few days ago, he has sent me to the mission to go and destroy their shrine, destroy whatever they plan to destroy anybody, or to destroy every family or every brother or every, that is to hold the power. That is not the place to hold the power. That is why I'm calling for the new Ojon Were of Aviogo community, so that all the mission will start. May God bless you, my people. So I believe freedom we know, and freedom we expect from anybody. Oppression is not allowed. If you oppress person for 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, if you say maybe you don't want to give her or give him freedom, Baba God have sent a lot of people to bring it to the media and give that person freedom, so that he will believe freedom will live, you know. So God bless you, everyone. Voice of Justice, John Inezena Ibisugbe. I remain the same, the son of Oriomo, Aviogo community, the Enagbe one of Aviogo. God bless you all. Share this video. No time to rush and no time to speak a lot. There is a lot of word when we say, if they don't reply, or if they take maybe it's a joke, they will see the action from the palace, from, I believe, my honorable, the Tony Kabaka, they know what is freedom. Like them honorable, them leader EPN, they know what is freedom. Anybody, freedom. That is why God will not basically oppress you down. They don't like it, because we don't like oppression. Say no to oppression. Oppression is not allowed in our society. Anybody that something happened to like that, bring it to us. That is a spoke, and I bring it to the justice. If you say, maybe we are saying something in media, but now some days After 3 days, 4 days broadcasting constantly, you will see and say, man, the human rights and the justice will visit them in their door, will knock for their door. So this is not the time to fear one native doctor. This is not the time to fear one babalawo. This is not the time to fear one witchcraft. When we know, say, man, Christ have rise for us, and we will believe, and we shall conquer them, because our Christ have conquered them without no seconds of say you have any injury or you have any headache. So this is the time we know that whatever demon are planning against you in your community, this is the time to bring it down. And this is the time for you to know that when you have a leader in your community, 1, 2, 3, or as your father used to live there, and even you when you was growing, maybe 30 years, 20 years back, I believe we have to know that this is the time for we to create that opportunity to that our people back again. Not maybe one small boy will grow up in Benin, now we go to the village and be oppressing people, collecting their land, shooting gun or whatever. This is the time for we to break those people, because why? They are practice courtesan. We say no to courtesan. We say no to power abuse. We say no to those children when we know they call themselves CDA chairman on the one secret way. We say no to them. That is what we believe, and we will continue. And we will continue, as I said, raising our voice. And no witch, no craft, no net can take the children's soul. That is why I repeat, said it, that it's only what God creates. It's only what Lucifer creates you can destroy. What God has created, you can never destroy it. That is why when it comes to that, there is a way to destroy those so-called Shiran or whatever. Share this video, because this is the time for we know. Because when you see Voice of Justice like this, John Ebuzugbe, you have to understand that there is freedom and people need freedom. God bless you. That is why we know people need freedom, and we will continue giving out through our voice and through our technology and through the blessing that God gave Moses to go and bring people out from the Israelites to promise from Egypt to promised land. We have that voice, and we use that power and that faith to make sure your community, your state, your country, you have what we call freedom of speech, liberation. Do for other, let other do for you. Stop disturbing your brother destiny. Stop disturbing your sister destiny. Stop offending a lot of people through by witchcraft or whatever. Because why? When your time comes, you are going to die like a lizard. Believe me. God bless you, everyone. You know, we don't really have too much time for this, but when we wait for the repercussion or the wait, said no reply, we continue bring them to justice. So as I call the number over there, my number is +33 75 86 74 875. I repeat, that is Voice of Justice direct number. Anytime you want to reach me, I'm with you. My number is +33 75 86 74 875. Or if you want to call me with my personal as a inbox, you can send message through that number. You can call me. When you call me, I can't pick you or let you write your name. So you can call me +33 75 362 3807. So get it clear. I repeat, +33 75 3623 807. I repeat, +33, get it clear, +33 75 362 3807. That is Voice of Justice. Just inbox me. You understand? So, but concerning this video, share this video to John Indidolo and share this video to John Francis Idudolo, so that they shall understand that nobody is sleeping, nobody sham or juju or wish kaki, and we are waiting to reply. If you don't reply, I have a word to say. Bye for now. Happy weekend, everybody. Stay safe and stay at home so that you will be escaped for wherever coronavirus, wherever any disease the technology witchcraft have created. But all what we know, we that believe the God Almighty, we shall never have a trap on that. And we will continue to believe same, and we celebrate and we jubilate. God bless you, everyone. Bye for now. Share this video.